Hello. Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm great. Thank you so much for asking. How has your day been? How is the day going?
It's great.
Wonderful. And did anything special or important happen today? Anything you were looking forward to?
No, same things.
Okay, regular day.
Yeah, regular thing, regular day.
All right. Well, we have something interesting to have a conversation around, and the topic for the conversation is food and restaurants. So, would you like to stick to the topic or talk about something else?
Yeah, I will talk about this topic.
Great. So, are you a foodie? Can we call you a foodie?
Yeah, somehow, not so much.
Okay. Well, why is that? Why not so much and just a little bit? Like you're a little foodie, not more.
Yeah, little bit because I don't eat outside food. I
All
will
right.
prefer homemade foods.
Okay. You like to have homemade food. Well,
Yeah,
so do I. So, what kind of food do you like to have?
normal daily chawal, dal, and chapati like that.
Okay, regular food.
Yeah,
All right. So, what kind of flavors do you like? Sweet, sour, spicy, savory.
sweet sweet flavors.
Okay, you have a sweet tooth, we can say.
Yeah, yeah.
Great. So, what kind of sweets do you like to have?
Normal gulab jamun, rasgulla, this kind of food, sweets. I think.
Okay, so what do you like about gulab jamun? It seems to be very good though.
Yeah, it's very sweet and good to eat.
So do you like warm gulab jamun or cold gulab jamun? There are two types of people, right?
Yeah, cold one. I like cold one.
Okay, you don't like hot sweets, you like cold sweets.
Yeah, I like cold sweets.
Okay, well, which other sweets do you like? Which are, let's say, your top five favorite sweets, and why do you like them? Apart from gulab jamun, because we have discussed that you like cold gulab jamun. Apart from that, which other sweets you like and why?
Many other things like rasgulla and mm, I don't know names so much.
So you can tell me like how they look like so that we can find their names.
And one of them is like kaju kitlis, I think name,
Kaju
and
katli you like.
yeah, and mm, I don't remember that now.
Okay. So are you okay? Like how many gulab jamuns can you eat in one go?
10, I think.
Wow. Have you ever tried that? Eating 10 gulab jamuns in one go.
Yes, sometimes
And did you
with friends.
succeed?
Yeah, I succeed.
That is great. Like I would say that's a good capacity to have 10 gulab jamuns in one go. Wait,
Mm.
were they mini gulab jamuns or were they normal sized gulab jamuns? But anyone can eat mini gulab jamuns.
Normal one, normal like anyone eats.
Okay. And how often do you have gulab jamun? Like, do you have it frequently or like once in a while?
Frequently, sometimes in a week or something like that.
Okay, you have gulab jamuns every week. That's great.
Not every week, but yeah, in a month, 2 3 weeks or something.
Do you make sure that it's
But
made in your home or like you go to yeah, sorry.
I go outside something. I don't. have this in home.
Okay, so you go out and have
And
gulab
what's
jamun.
your favorite sweets?
Okay, now that is a wonderful question you asked, and I'm glad you asked this because I don't like sweets too much in the sense I do like sweets, but I cannot have a lot of sweets because after a point it hurts my throat. My throat feels restrained and itchy. So I can have two gulab jamuns happily.
Yeah,
I would love to have or
okay.
two jalebis, but I love kaju katli as well because it's not very sweet. It's nice
Yeah,
and nutty. I love kaju katli. It's one of my favorites.
yeah,
And I do like jalebi also. Rasgulla is also one of my favorites, like on the top of the list. And I also like
okay.
chocolate if we are including Western desserts, so brownies or cakes. I also like that because they're not very sweet, isn't it? Do you like those
Mm-hmm.
cakes or brownies or
Yeah,
muffins or anything?
I like, but I don't eat so much chocolate.
Hmm. Yeah. Well, don't you like spicy food? Like, is it too spicy for you, or you just don't like it?
I don't like us too spicy. Normal daily food, normal food, regular food.
Okay.
I think.
So, what do you like to have for breakfast usually?
Usually, I like chapati and sabji like that.
Okay, so you have chapati for breakfast.
Yeah,
Okay, that's good. And then, like, do you always have chapati, or you have things like upma or pohe or puri and sabzi or anything like
no,
that?
no.
You have chapati.
Sometimes sometimes we eat puri or sabji
Okay.
in special occasions or
Of
maybe
course, because
Sunday.
uh, it takes a time, a little bit like a brunch, because puri and sabzi takes time to be prepared, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. And what about lunch? What do you like to have for lunch?
Chawal dal like that.
Okay.
Sometimes curry, egg curry.
Mhm. Well, what is that one thing that you don't miss in a meal? Like while having a meal, let's say lunch or dinner, these are the major two meals that we have in a
Mm.
day. What are the things like you need to have? Like, are you the person that I need to have chapati or I need to have rice or I compulsorily need dal or papad or anything along with it? What kind of person are you?
I like chapati. I need to have chapati once in a day.
Okay, so the chapati has to be there in the meals, like no matter what.
Yeah, once in a day. I
Mhm. Okay, once in a day you would like to have chapati.
used to it.
All right, well, that's a good thing.
Yeah,
Yeah. And what kind of vegetables you like the most? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
yeah. I hear you.
Yes, so I was asking what kind of vegetables you like to have.
I like green vegetables like bhindi or mostly I eat potatoes and
Okay,
gobi. You can say.
okay, that's a nice thing. These are good things. Like mostly people like this. And on the other hand, which
Yeah,
vegetables you don't like? Like no matter what, you cannot stand those. Are there any such vegetables?
Karela. I think.
I think most of the people don't like it. There is something
Yeah.
about it. It's the taste. Why don't you like it? A silly question, but why don't you like it?
because taste is not good. It's
Hmm.
bitter.
And along with that, which are the vegetable you don't like?
Long. I eat almost vegetables. Like
You
I
like to
don't
eat almost
have
all
any.
vegetables.
Yeah, yeah.
Good. You're not a fuzzy eater. And what about fruits? Which are your favorite fruits?
Mangoes.
Mm.
And yours?
I really like banana actually. I do like mangoes,
Okay.
but I'm very specific about the kind of mangoes I like. Like I don't like very sweet mangoes. So the mangoes which are
Okay.
like little sweet, little sour, that mixed kind of taste, I like those. But all-time favorite is banana because I think it's lazy people's fruit. You don't have to wash it,
Mm.
you don't have to cut it. Just pluck a banana and start eating. Plus, it's very
Yeah.
filling. You eat a banana and it's like a very good snack.
Yeah. It's, it's available in every season actually.
Oh yeah, that's also the best part. You don't have to wait.
Yeah.
Like for mangoes,
Yeah.
we have to wait. And now it's almost summer. Here it is summer already heated.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
I haven't seen mangoes in the market yet. Have you seen mangoes in the market?
No, I don't see.
Yeah,
Currently,
not
I have
yet,
not
right?
seen. Yeah.
So what kind of mango do you like? As you know, there are multiple types of mangoes.
I don't know much about mangoes names. Mostly think Alfonso or something like that. Some
Mhm. Okay. Is there
and
any
what's
fruit that
your
you
what's
don't like? Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
and what's your favorite mangoes?
Okay, my favorite mango, one is in Hindi, it's called Bengan It's a South Indian species of mango. And second one is
Okay.
Malgova. It is from the state of Tamil Nadu. I think both of these are from the state of Tamil Nadu. I am not from Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
I'm from Maharashtra. But like these
Okay.
mangoes are specific to that region and they're like pretty big and they're little tangy, little sweet, not very sweet. So the amras that is
Okay.
made in my house is mostly made of these mangoes because they're not very sweet. Alfonso and everyone like they are sweet for me. As I just said that I don't have a sweet tooth and I cannot have a lot of sweet. It hurts my throat after a while.
Okay.
Any fruit you don't like?
Oh, I like every fruit. I think
Any fruit you would like to try? Any fruit you haven't tried yet, but you would like to try?
many fruit like dragon fruit. I think I heard so much about it.
Like, can I tell you a truth? It's not that tasty. If you have eaten Indian fruits, and especially if you've had mango, dragon fruit is not that good. It's sour to taste. It's not sweet at all. And those tiny, tiny seeds, like when you take a small bite of dragon fruit, that those tiny, tiny
Okay.
seeds, like you have to keep, as you know, like they come in between your teeth, and then you need to crush them. But then you're fighting
I
between.
like kiwi. I think.
You like kiwi? You've had kiwi? You enjoyed it?
No, no. I'm saying like kiwi. It's tasting something
Yeah,
because
kiwi
it's
is very
also
refreshing though. And kiwi is
yeah.
not sour. Kiwi is a lot juicy, uh,
Mm.
but it's not sour. Dragon fruit is not very juicy, but it is sour to taste. Kiwi
Okay.
is very refreshing. And yes, like kiwi, it has those small, small black seeds.
Seeds.
But
Like
kiwi is better. Kiwi is nice and juicy and very, very refreshing, like muskmelon or like watermelon.
yeah.
I have
Yeah.
never had avocado, like that creamy one. I don't know how it would taste. Like people around me have had it and they are like, it doesn't taste good. So I don't think
Yeah.
I will like exotic fruits. Indian fruits are okay.
Yeah. It is available in market actually, so we can have it anytime.
Absolutely. That's true. Well, Do you go out to eat often? Let's say street food. I'm not talking about restaurants. Even I don't go to a lot of restaurants, as in. But like, do you enjoy street food?
Sometimes not in a month once or two 1 or 2 times, not so much.
Once or twice.
Yeah,
Okay. So, what kind of street food do you like?
samosa or something egg roll like
Mhm.
and pani puri.
Pani puri is, I think, everybody's favorite, especially during summer, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah. Like, are you looking forward to like having a lot of pani puri almost every evening or every other evening as the summer starts?
hmm. No, I usually eat when I go outside or see on a
Mhm.
street. Then I usually eat.
Okay. So that brings me to a very important question. Are you the only tikha pani person or you like to mix it? What kind of pani puri eater are you?
I'm Tikka person, I think.
Okay. Brave one, I would say. That's good. Some people call it tikha, some people call it khatta. It depends on like where you are.
Yeah, in Bihar, I think both mix up Tikka or Khatta, same.
Okay,
They
it's
mix up.
mixed already.
Yeah,
That's good. That's convenient.
yeah,
And what about like, do you know how to cook? Are you interested in cooking?
yeah. Sometimes I cook. I know a little bit. I can cook and eat. I know how to make chapati and rice and dal, something like that.
Okay. So, when did you learn how to cook and what was the motivation behind it?
By my mother in a holiday when I came from college in holidays. Teach me because
Taught me. My mother
I
taught me.
live outside my yeah. My mother taught me. I live outside my hometown actually,
Mhm.
so I needed to learn how to cook.
Okay. So, did you use those skills? Like, you used to cook every day then?
Yeah, in my college time, I almost cook every day. Sometimes I eat outside restaurant or something. College
Mhm.
canteen,
Okay. So, how was the canteen food? Was it good or not so good?
not so good because it's so oily and mm, spicy.